Hey guys, it's Olivia, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Musical.ly. So basically a Musical.ly tutorial. And so sorry about background noises. My mom is hanging out with a friend. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Musical.ly. So yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to go onto Musical.ly. So this is the sound that I'm going to be using, but yeah. So
now, all I wanna be, all I ever wanna be, yeah, yeah, is somebody
the sound might not show up, but I don't know. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna like press fast or normal, and then you're gonna like wanna record. But if you wanna go like slow-mo, then you wanna press the slow-mo button.
now.
So yeah.
All I ever wanna be, yeah, yeah, is somebody
So I don't know if you might be.
now. All I wanna be, all I ever wanna be, yeah, yeah, is somebody
So now you're gonna like wanna like type something like funny, I guess, if you wanna say, or like an emoji or something. And like I'm gonna write Musical.ly tutorial. So yeah. Sorry, this is taking a while. Chilly outside. Okay, so yeah.
If you're lonely, come be lonely with me, lonely.
Yeah, so that was the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and make sure to turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. And also, if you want to see more videos like this, then just comment down below. And yeah, so make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. Until next time, bye. I love you guys.